Actividad número 3, caso Building Company Vision, presentado por Cristian Javier Arias Omaña y Jorge Enrique Díaz González. Achieve efficiency in the operation process, the implementation of best practices in marketing, sales and customer service. Achieve profitable growth is to rationalize human resources and materials at volume and effective goods and revenue manager strategy. Accompanying and comprehensive advice gives the clients the company so that it feels safe and divided by the company. Agreements and policies have defined the policies of the company for its deployment. Best partner have an offer of camaraderie and teamwork, which is activity of generation of goods, products or service needed the certain consumer or public profit economic performance. Service is the profile of the company. Coordination, planning collaborating of different individuals, departments, and of organization interests reaching on common goal. Communication and active response. It is important to the consumer a key response from what occurs. Company business type of organization works activity which achieves counting on the needs or demands of specific audiences and being affected by the needs of the mass. Commercial business independs on all commercial executive when dedicating the visit to the client. Development growth of little style achieved by an entity or processes. Diagnostics, study or analysis of the situation with object detect problems, tendency, and of a team or process. Demand, quality of goods or service that consumers want to acquire in a given period of time. Economic of scale is the set of abundance that in the mass of course on an addition of time task to the expansion. Environment, part of the reality that can affect the seats or be affected by it. Warranted superior customer service follow on to the client's order so that it arrives in optimal quality. On one thing, the better the tag is integrated and the more the qualities of its number starts advantage, the stronger the company will be. Innovation ideas, employees in and field. Manager process of the tangible and the intangible results of an organization using this process and activity. Market set of activities derived from sales, transaction in the work of the production and distribution as well as licensing and ability of products, goods, and services in a specific geographic area in the current every month has and pan. Maintain and improve the substantive model, gratitude of the mission of the team, global international starting of what an organization or institution is committed to offer its recipients. Generar or cultura of innovation. The technological innovation is an important contribution for the development of the company. Organizational climate refer to the esteem and development among the members of the organization. Objective, quality or quantitative result that is expressed to the on-through a series of actions. Organization. Conglomerate of people work united by common aims, operating in estructura of work organization to carry 10. Parte, person allied with another of the work for canon, purpose, or activity of both. Profits, they are advantages expressed in monetary terms that the owner receives. Process, set of action was child with trying for the increase of the repairs products. The result produced by the organization based on the use and the process they are 10. Portfolio and quality products. All products must be of good quality for supply and demand in the market. Strategy. Set us or processing study to real and portfolio of objetivos and goals. Reduce and control the epidemiology impact to full consume epidemiology and promote sustainability in its productive process. Le concedo la palabra a mi compañero Cristian para que haga el aporte.
Gracias, Jorge. Continuando con el glosario tenemos Service actions taken to satisfy the requirements or needs of certain subjects. Sustainable development, a balanced and responsible use of natural resources so that economic and environmental development can occur. Strategic planning. Written document that details the specific management actions aimed and specific objects in the marketing of work in at given every month. Vision. Ability to project the future of a company and what it aims to become in the long term. Teamwork. It is the work done by several individuals, whereas every known task is part as with a common goal. Vanguard. It is the march of the truths and open source. Some of its functions are the exploration of the ground, the clearing of potential dangers for the adverse. Tenemos las conclusiones, que son las siguientes. For the company to remain in time and be successful, it must have a vision of growth, technology and sustainable innovation and work to change. Have resources that protect the environment, deliver value from the supply chain, take care of human value, and excellent customer service with support from users. Invest in what is important, be competitive in the fashion of management. Companies must enter the chain and be in the win with the customer with the company, not be in the sales and always in the standard or comfort zone. The vision for road development and sustainability must have a central purpose that remains fixed and clear objectives. For lasting success, the company must have a central ideology, and the actors imagine the central ideology defines the lasting nature of an organization. A current identity that goes beyond the life cycles of the product or the market, also of the technology advances and individual leaders. The central capacity is the strategic concept that defines the specific skill of the in which we have planning, priority, time management, the type orientation, and resource coordination. tenemos la bibliografía. Espero que haya sido de su agrado. Muchas gracias.